The tragic flooding at Rao's IS coaching centre in Delhi exposed criminal negligence. The Delhi High Court, while hearing a PIL, has taken a tough stand over the apathy and has slammed the civic authorities. The High Court said that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi had become a joke and summoned its commissioner on Friday. Taking a swipe at authorities, the court said the MCD needs to build infrastructure but it's bankrupt and can't even pay salaries. The court also pulled up the police for its probe. The court labelled the investigation as strange, questioning the police on the arrest of a passerby and none from the MCD.
They knew all the illegalities what is going on in overall Delhi and in Rajendra Nagar as well, and they have called Commissioner of MCD, the IO as well as the DCP concerned. The Honorable Court has also said that what action has been taken against those MCD officers, has they been prosecuted, has they been made accused in this case. So all the respondent will come on Friday with all the preparation, all their what they want to say in this matter.
Students gathered in large numbers in the national capital on Wednesday, continuing their protest to justice.
As of now, they are yet not happy with the responses that have come in from the state system. They suggest that they want a concrete response, post which only they will move from the hunger strike. Since yesterday they started the hunger strike, some of the students today have now gone to meet the MCD commissioner. This is in the while that the Delhi police was requesting them to end their protest. To just give you an understanding, the Bada Bazaar stretch has also been, the barricades have been removed. The Delhi police has also started slow movement of traffic on this stretch.
Meanwhile, Vikas Divya Kirti, a teacher and owner of Drishti IS, broke his silence on recent deaths of 3 aspirants. Divya Kirti claimed that the issue of students' safety is more complicated than it appears.
ऐसे मामले में कोई एक बलि का बकरा सबको चाहिए होता है, उससे चीज़ें थोड़ी आसान हो जाती हैं। प्रशासन के लिए आसान हो जाता है कि हम बच गए, एक का नाम लगा दो। समाज को भी एक सीधी सीधी बात समझ में आती है कि अच्छा एक आदमी मिल गया, यही जिम्मेदार था, तो वो तसल्ली मिल जाती है कि चलो हमें दोषी मिल गया। वजहें सबकी अपनी अपनी हैं, लेकिन सबके पास एक सुविधाजनक नाम है कि उसको गाली दो।
The court's sharp observations underline the gravity of the situation and need for accountability. So far, there are no signs of accountability being fixed for the tragedy that took place in Delhi.